Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl aanasmira and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do an unboxing video. It's one of my favorite things. I can't take myself. I'm ridiculous. But yes, today I am doing an unboxing video. It's for a company that you know, brother Instagram, what? Got me again. So yes, there was an ad running for this company. Their name is Cuups with 2 U's, and they are a bra and panty company. And I saw these really cute, like, styled bras, and you know, when you get a bra, you gotta get the underwear to match, just because it's science. Like, you just have to do it. You just have to. So I got a bra and a pair of panties, and I want to show it to you guys, and I will also try it on so you guys can see how it looks on me. But yeah, let's dig into this. I'm really excited because how it's cut, I feel like you could wear it like a shirt. So yeah, and I'm all about showing off your body. My motto is, if you got it, flaunt it, honey. Okay? So let's dig into this box. And this is how it looks. I live for nice packaging, as y'all know. This must be the underwear. But this is how it looks. It comes with this little, I don't know if this is a packing bag or like a wash bag. I'm just gonna assume it's a wash bag because it looks like a wash bag. It's just got, it's fancy because it's got their name on it, which I like. That's nice. I'm glad they gave us a little wash bag. Let's see. So this is the bra that I got. Her name is The Balconette in Espresso. It's gorgeous. I felt like it would go great with my skin tone, so I look like I'm nude. I'm in the nude when I wear it. Cause yeah, there is a company that sells like only like skin toned bras, but when I saw like the shape of this, I thought it was really sexy, so that's what made me purchase this one. But yeah, I love it. It's gorgeous. It's super cute, and I got it in a 34B. I got it in a 34B because all my bras are 34B, but Soma, they told me I was a C cup, so I'm gonna just tell y'all I'm a C cup. That's what I'm gonna go with. Because I've always wanted to be a C cup, and the bra people told me that I was a C cup, so I'm a C cup, but my boob's gonna look good in this B cup bra, okay? And then this must be the undies. Zaza. Oh, these are sexy too. Yes. Ooh, look at the V cut. Ooh, sexy. These are the bikini in Espresso as well. Oh, that's the back side. Ooh, show off a little cracky crack. I like it. Yeah, so cute. And I got this in a small medium, which is, so on the receipt it says, oh, okay. So on the receipt it says 2 small medium, and then in the panties it says a size 2. My booty gonna be eating these up, I think. But I don't care, they're so cute. I love them. So let me go ahead and try these on so you guys can see how it looks on me. This is how it looks on. It is really cute. I love it. I am actually wearing underwear Because y'all know how I am. If you've watched my video Glitterati by Lina Rauma, I'll put that in the info bar so y'all can check that out, because I'm trying on like a bikini and that. I have on some underwear because it's a thong, but also because it wasn't washed. And y'all don't need to be trying on stuff that you haven't washed without wearing some underwear or some type of protectant to guard from the new stuff from your private parts, because that's nasty. Okay? So I have on underwear to protect myself, and also this is very revealing underwear. And yes, my crack would totally show, but I think that'd be super sexy. But yeah, I told y'all my booty would eat up this underwear. Because if I did not have this to protect it, it'd be all up my booty. And don't mind that hole right there. This underwear is very old. But yeah, this is how it looks. It looks really good. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. But yeah, this looks really good. I love how it fits. It feels very comfortable. I feel like I could just walk around the house in this, honestly. And I would. Because I do what I want to do. But yeah, it's really comfortable. So when looking at the bra, it looked sheer and see-through, but I can't see my nipples, so I know y'all can't see my nipples, which is a good thing. So yeah, I would totally wear this as a top because it's super cute and I like how it's cut. I like this cut here. It's very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. And if y'all can see my hairy legs on camera, I don't care. I'm in quarantine. And newsflash, women's hair grows on their legs. Yeah. Sorry to burst your bubble. Also, underarm hair too. Sorry. But yeah. I'm actually thinking about like investing in some laser hair removal, but like for this area in my underarms, just so I don't have to groom all the time. But my legs, I don't know. We gotta work this out and this out first to see how it goes. But yeah, I'm definitely thinking about doing laser hair removal. If y'all do that, let me know how y'all feel about it in the comments, because I've done waxing before. I don't like it. It's not for me. It's not for me. But yeah, this is how it looks on. I feel like I look really cute and sexy. I really, really like it. I really, 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 really like it. I really do like this cut. I think that cut is so sexy and cute. It's so cute. This is how it looks. I like it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to comment and subscribe. Let me know what you thought about my bra and panty set in the comments. If you want to see me do more try on videos for like bra and panties or even like swimsuits, because I know I've done a swimsuit try on in the past, I'll put it in the info bar here. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see me do more try on videos for like bras and panties or even swimsuits, leave it in the comments for me. Give this a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Follow me on all my social media at aanasmira, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.